Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today we're not in front of the store, we're in the back of the store. That's right, they're actually working on the pavement in front of my store, so there's no parking in front of my store, so we're gonna do the video back here. So what do we have here? Well, we got a nice GMC Denali. Now this is the 2500, so this is the big boy, and we put on a Bak Revolver X4Ts. Now, as you know, the TS stands for T-slot, which is right here. You got a nice little T-slot. Now, what I really like about this setup is a lot of times you do get a T-slot that can be a little big and bulky. This one is very, very low profile. Just like the cover, it sits right inside there. Now, the cover is going to come with a 5-year manufacturer warranty, and since we installed this, it gets doubled to 10. Now, this also will have a 1-year labor guarantee on this from us as well, and this has a 400-pound weight capacity. So this is a really good value. So let's show you how it works. Now you got a left and right release mechanism, so wherever you're at, you can undo it. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, why is that important? Well, if you pull off the side of the road on the highway, of course all your traffic will be on this side. You get on the passenger side, it's a little safer. Now, let me show you a few things. Also, if you look here, you got a big fat seal. Now that seal does a great job of kissing up to the tailgate. It's going to do a good job of keeping the water out. It won't get every drop of water because nothing is waterproof, but this one does a very good job as well. Also, FYI, they have fixed these little corner things. I know the very first ones that came out, they were just clips on and they fell off. Now they glue them and screw them on there, and they solved that problem. Now as I roll this, I want you to take a look right here where my hand is. There's this little piece of rubber there, and that is basically in case the metal gets too hot to touch, this will protect your hand here. Now, a lot of things people like about this cover is, first of all, it's a little easier to open than maybe a folding cover. When it's completely open, it does not block your cameras or your brake light. Also, you can still see out your rear window. So when this is open, it does not interfere with anything going on in there. And to secure this, there should be a little strap here. This is, I'll kind of pull it out so you get a better look. But basically, it's going to go right into this, and then you kind of just turn it, and all you do is kind of do that, pull it in, and that'll keep it in place while you're driving. Also, another nice thing, if you look inside the bed, you don't lose any space whatsoever in the bed. So that's another benefit there. So you're not blocking the window, and you're not losing space in the bed. And it's a lot easier to use. Now, you know, as you can see, this is aluminum underneath there. It is still powder coated on the bottom, and this is a 2-layer cover. That means you got your metal on the bottom, and you got the marine grade vinyl on top here. And that stuff is pretty strong. And as you can see, very easy to use. Great feature. Now, this does have the multi-function tailgate. So let's go ahead and show you that this works as well. A lot of people, hey, you forgot to show me, does that work? And as you can see, it works just fine. Great cover. The only, now as you know, I like to tell you all your positives, and I'll tell you the negatives, which, and it's not a big negative, but I'll let you know. This cover is going to be all the way open, all the way closed. There's nothing in between. Where a folding cover, you can have it in between. So that would be maybe the only negative, but it's not a big deal. Again, great product. If you want to see pricing on this, I'll put a link at the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check out pricing. And don't forget, we can ship anywhere in the country. If you don't live here in Florida, we got you covered. We ship to Hawaii, California, even Alaska and Puerto Rico. So we're covering everywhere. So again, I'm Chris, and this is a review of the Revolver X4Ts, your T-slot, on a brand new GMC 2500 Denali. And don't forget, hit that like button. Boy, do we appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.